Right, I've just I looked for the drain plug. I'm not 100% if there is one on a Mark II. I know there is on a Mark 1, but I can't really find it. So I'm just going to see what happens if I try and start it, because I'm interested. I haven't actually tried yet. So I've got a full battery, plugs, leads are repaired. So let's have a look. Quarter of a tank. The pump run. Can't hear the pump running. Don't think. Don't know. Can't really hear it. No. So let's keep going. Might try and see if I can get some fuel into it. Maybe a bit of brake cleaner or something. I'm just experimenting, because it's fun. Oh, there's that mouldy pound again. Blech. Right, I'm going to try and put a little bit of brake cleaner in the inlet to see what happens. Come on. Right. It's definitely a fuel issue, obviously. Well, we know we've got water in there anyway, but how am I going to get that water out? Might try and run the pump and pump it out, maybe into a bottle or something. But if I can get it running, yeah, if it works on brake cleaner, because it fired, there was a good few cycles where it ran on brake cleaner there, so it's got to be lack of fuel that it's not running. Because the bloke who got it, who I got it from, he said he's pretty sure it's water in the tank, so it might actually not be. Could be anything, but I'm pretty sure it's something fuel related, so let's keep going. Right, I'm going to try something else, because I don't think this has got a bung on the bottom. I've got some of this 4mm plastic, PVC, whatever it is, pipe, and I'm going to try and siphon whatever I can out of the tank. Emphasis on try. Are we in? I think I'm in. Doesn't seem to go any further than that. We have a little suck on the end. Right, we're not even wet yet. Still not wet. Oh. It's not working. I might go and get the endoscope and have a little look inside the tank. I'll be right back. Right, as you can see, the endoscope on a bit of plastic tube. That's still not working. I think there's like an anti-siphon gate or something down there. I could see it. You would have seen it in the footage from this little thing. Once you get through that, I don't know, it just seems dry. There must be like a 90 or something that this can't get round, but it's hitting something. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the back of the, like behind the seats. I'm going to pull the little cap off there, and that's where the fuel pump sits. And I'm going to try and drain it from there, because I don't really want to have to take the whole fuel tank out if I can. So hopefully I'll be able to siphon it from in there. It just means a few more nuts and bolts and stuff to get to it, but oh well. But for today, that's it. I've had enough. I'm going to bed. I better put this on so nobody siphons my fuel out in the middle of the night. There you go, covers off. So here's the fuel tank. That's the return pump in there. Sorry, the fuel pump. You've got return line and a feed line. So I'm going to disconnect that, take these off, undo all these screws, and then hopefully we'll have access to the fuel tank. Fuel pump housing things out. I've got this siphon pump thing. Got it in the lowest part. Can you even see what I'm doing? Probably not. Anyway, I've got this thing. I'm hoping that is gonna not really siphon it. I think the actual hose part is like the same length as the stick bit. Makes sense. Yeah, look. Slightly longer. Let me get a hose on it. Right, I went and got some fuel, unloaded down the road from a little petrol station, chucked some of that in. I've also got my hair cut, a little tuft there. Yeah, not really a lot more I can do in this video, so next video will be, well, hopefully, fingers crossed, getting it started. So that's the plan. I've also got some parts which have just turned up, so like the rear light which is damaged, handbrake lever, that sort of thing. So that'll probably be, I don't know, might mix videos up, don't know, either this video or the next video, whatever. But yeah, anyway, subscribe below if you haven't. If you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up and all that. That's about it really. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.